Actually, the plan, what I would like to do is if we do 80 tasks, it will be plus 1 point. We need to record 20 and do 80.
Okay.
Another option is to do like 280 or 60 something. Well, I don't think it's a problem. It's just time-consuming thing, and it will plus 2 points. Since I have been in a situation in previous years when I didn't get this like 2, 3, 4 points extra to get a grade I want, I think it's reasonable to do. Just as I believe me, it wouldn't take a lot of time. I looked on the task; it should be pretty like straightforward.
Good. I have the whole Thursday free, so I can still that time.
Okay. Do you have practice session on Thursday as well? In Agile.
Practical session.
Hello. Yeah.
Hello.
Yeah. Yes, I can hear you.
Hello.
Okay.
Hello.
Hello. Hello.
Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Okay.
I think it's just internet a bit unstable.
Yeah. What was I saying? Yeah, my practical session is on Thursday.
At 6.
Yes, at 6.
The same as mine.
Is that yours?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
Then what the plan is? Then let's do today as much as we can, like optimally 20 plus. You will code today. I will be like free rider. Let's say I will just like say what to do if you will stuck, because actually I have a bit experience with Ruby and I'm a full stack developer in like working with Ruby mainly. Well, I set up Git repo. I sent you invitation.
Yes, I've already cloned it.
Actually, okay, you cloned it, but okay, it's fine. Then what we will do, let's add one file and like start from one file, and you will share your screen because I'm not writing code today.
Okay. So, file. So I downloaded the Ruby Koans zip. Where did I put that?
I think what to do, just put 2 folders. One folder is things that is not done yet. Another thing that we will refactor. And let's create in this clone you did one folder that will be like called like Koans or something like that. And
yeah, that's why I was asking if whether we should add the original code first as master, so that we can create a branch and we can really make use of Git. We can show the revisions and we can show it on the video that we're actually using Git instead of just like uploading it after.
But how you actually would like to use Git in this case?
Like first, I'm going to extract everything into the folder, into the repo, and then I upload it as master, and then I will create a branch so we can see the revisions clearly.
Okay, but before adding something into the master branch, just create new branch. Just like git checkout -b and your branch name, and then you can add files. Otherwise, you'll try to push everything into the master.
Yeah, the original unedited files. Do we need to create a branch for that?
I think we don't. We don't actually need.
Okay. So, well, I can create a branch if you really want to.
Yeah, let's create a branch. Just it's like easier.
Should I share my screen?
I mean, it would be easier because when you do like pull request, and I will, let's say, approve this one, and if it will be not if you exactly in the master, that doesn't make sense.
Yeah, I can share my screen.
Okay, I see. Okay, I think I see it. Yep, it's here.
Yep. Uh-huh.
Let's do it not in such a way. Just let's at least put add original files to make like command to the Git what to do.
Okay. So we then go to I think you can show your screen then in the Google Live. Or do you want me to switch my shared or am I showing the GitHub screen now? Or what can you see? Okay.
I can see your
Still the let's see. I think it's this one. Okay.
I can show you my. Okay.
Yeah. Do I have to write a
Okay.
comment?
Okay, I think I just make a pull.
Oh, you will make the pull request? Or I'll make it.
No. Okay. You just did another branch. What I did, I just you pushed your changes. I just pull them. Like
Okay. You pulled the branch.
yeah, I just pull your branch.
Okay. So should we merge it or later? Let's just do it later.
Let's do it later. Just I don't think
So
there's.
let's make another branch.
Okay, we have. Okay, you seem you did like all, and we have unnecessary files like this idea. It's just your configurations. Okay, I will just look into it and change a bit.
Are you planning to edit something?
Yeah, I'm just what I'm planning to do. Just ignore your like configuration file. Just I sorted format IML and ignore
You made a
IML
git ignore
formats.
file?
I did, but it doesn't ignore configurations of your idea. IML extensions. Okay. By the way, do you see my screen?
I see. No, I see your face.
Okay. Okay, that thing actually.
Yeah, that's why I didn't know what you were doing.
Okay, but I actually created the branch. I ignore this IML files,
Okay.
and I think okay, just create pull request, and basically that's it. Let's do like real coding thing. Mhm.
So there are two pull requests now.
Yeah, and just ignore IML files. You can merge it, for example, and I will look actually what I can also ignore.
Okay.
Actually, share screen, ignore. Okay, can you see actually what I'm doing now?
Yes. How do you approve? Usually I do +1, but I don't know what the convention is
Well,
for you.
usually it's +1, and if it's more members in the team, it's like +2 or more.
Yeah.
But basically, because we're like two in the team, then if you merge, then I see that you merged it. It's like a +1 automatically.
Okay.
Then
So
let's do +1 and merge, or whatever
okay.
you want.
I'll merge the branch you made.
Okay. I will look into what actually we can more ignore because there are so many things. Um, ID, ID.
Let's see. The idea, I guess, but was it already in the Git? No, let me see.
I think no.
How about the idea? Yeah. The .idea folder.
Yeah, actually,
Let's put that.
I need to add it as well. I think. What is in git ignore? I think also can do. Um, yeah, okay. I created new pull request where I just trying to ignore idea as well. By the way, I think that you didn't merge my branch.
Oh, you made another branch? I thought you were just going to add another commit.
I actually it's just misunderstanding. I saw that you already merged. I decided to go and
Oh
create
no.
a folder. It's just
No, okay, I'll go ahead and merge now.
yeah.
Fine.
And I think you can remove the branch as well because
You can delete them after.
it's easy. It's usually easy to revert. Therefore, you can just do it. Okay. I think view number 3. It should be like go to the files I have changed.
I'll merge also your third the idea pull request.
Okay. 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 Nice. How actually our ignore file looks like just right now? Git ignore. Okay, it's IML and idea.
Okay.
By the way, don't we need like, slash IDA and then slash again?
I don't know. .config doesn't have a slash, so I don't know the difference.
Okay, let's see if
Should be
it.
okay. If it works, then it should be fine. Let's try to pull that.
Mhm. Maybe then you can do, just like go to the command prompt or shell and do this git commit minus minus amend. Hello.
Amend?
Yeah, I just type you. It just
What does it do? I haven't tried that command before.
yeah, like if I'm not mistaken, like this, like 2 minus is amend. Actually, what you're trying to do, if you forgot to add something, then you just add to the previous commit, and you can change the name of the commit as well. Or if you
Oh,
would like to change the name of the commit because your name is not somehow appropriate, you can do it the same.
oh,
And
it's like
because
rebase.
um, what?
It's sort of like rebase.
It's not really rebase. It's just you just take control of your last commit.
Yeah, you can do that through rebase also. Although it changes the.
Okay, then let's do rebase. Then if for your current branch, then you just do git rebase
What am I
master.
supposed to? What am I supposed to edit in my branch?
Actually, what you can do just git rebase master, and your branch with your commits actually will be built on the top of the master.
Yeah, that's what I was planning to do.
And then you can do this git commit amend, and then to change your commit, and it's automatically should ignore IDEA and IML files, all these things.
One moment, let me
Actually,
update my master.
what?
I'm updating my master.
But I see on your GitHub actually.
Sorry, I didn't change the screen.
No, it's okay. I mean, no worries. Okay. Okay.
And then what did you type? Git commit dash dash amend.
Yes.
Isn't this just a message?
Yeah, you just send message again, and that's it. You like change the message, and before you actually do this command, you can add another files or remove some other files, and it will apply to this commit, and then you need to push like force push as far as I remember everything. But actually, nothing happened after you like put git commit amend command. There's nothing happens on my screen.
Oh, it popped up a note. It popped up a notepad.
Oh, okay. Oh, no worries, and you can just change it, like save. Okay.
Yeah, that's what I was wondering. It's like it seems like I'm just editing the commit message, not the actual commit.
Well,
I can.
just close this window. Then let's do another way. Just let's do before you do this command, do git
I
add
can do
dot
let's see.
git
I can
add dot.
reset it. Git.
Isn't reset actually delete all files in your systems?
I can always go to another branch and then extract it again.
Okay, reasonable.
So, what can you see?
Actually, a lot of
Okay.
red files.
You see
I
the
simply
shell? Okay. So now when I type in get status, it doesn't show the IML and the .idea files anymore.
and it's awesome when changes were correct.
Yes. So there's nothing else that you want to remove? I think they're all the Ruby files, the doc, the txt.
I think a rec file or doc, it's okay. It looks fine.
Okay, then we share. You do know your Facebook screen is also being recorded.
It's okay. Actually, what I did is open just the Ruby things.
Okay.
I just would like to check this how to start. If it's just Ruby or Rake. Okay. Fine.
Can you see the screen again? What can you see? Can you see the
I think you opened the same page that I am, no?
Because I have several Chrome tabs right now, so I'm not sure what I just shared. Let's see.
Do you have open?
Oh,
Actually, I can see you. Okay.
Okay.
And now I have see. Yep, I can see repo.
What was your name? Okay. No.
From the capital letter.
A million?
Yeah. Yep, like this. Should be fine. Okay. Operation. Requests. Okay, 33 seconds. Let's do +1. I think you can see, right? What to do. Okay, merge, okay, delete branch. Nice.
Okay.
Okay, we have a baseline, let's say.
Yeah, we have a baseline now.
And let's do these things. Ruby itself.
All right, let me delete the branches. I'll just delete the branches. I'll close the original pull request for the original file.
Okay.
And then so that I can delete the branches.
Actually, I think you can delete branches even if they are like exist in the GitHub.
No, if there's a pull request, you have to close it first.
No, actually, if I'm not mistaken, you should do like branch -d, and I will type this for you.
Oh, that's for the
branch name. It will delete branch even it's not merged so far.
Okay. Oh, I deleted it through the website. So
it's okay. It's pretty fine, but still, you have locally your branches. If you type git branch.
Yeah, I know the local branches will still be there.
Yeah.
I deleted the branches in the website.
Okay.
Okay, so we can see them already. Let's do the first one.
Okay.
Feature. What should the branch name be? Are we supposed to? I was looking at the instructions. Are we supposed to start with rake or the path to enlightenment?
Well, as far as I understand the instructions, what we need to start, we just need to start from Ruby and like check random files like Ruby and execute each file. And basically that's it. We just add something to the files to make them like
Oh, I thought there was a
compatible.
particular order, like which one first and then next and then next.
I think there is no difference at all, but well, let's try something and then figure out on it.
Okay. Let's try the path to enlightenment. Ruby path to enlightenment dot RB.
The same as the instructions, you mean?
Yeah. Oh, is this like a tutorial?
But okay, let's start. I think it doesn't matter from which file or where we will start. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, let's go directly to the file. I'll look into the code. And I think if you open a notepad or something like that, I don't see it.
Yeah, I'm looking. Wait, I'm going to open it. Path. But I'm looking at the files and it's all about. I'm confused. Oh, here it is. Okay, I just saw it. Sorry.
Okay.
Is it too bright? Should I? Are you okay with the screen?
Okay.
Or do you want it like a darker?
No, it's fine, but do you see how many required things it has?
Oh,
I
okay.
think that we need to fix all these required things to work with this file.
Oh, okay. So we should start with the first one.
About a source, let's say. Do we have such file?
Yes.
Okay.
The instructions were. So we're supposed to change the things with the underscores. Let me look at the instructions. Please meditate on the following code. About asserts RB line 10. In test assert truth. So if we go to line 10, what's this one?
You just let's send assert false to assert true. Basically, that's it for now. Line 10.
Oh, that's all we're going to do? We should change it to true?
To true, yeah. It just saying that if you change that, you will get another error, and basically it's good if you just can open in one side of the screen this Notepad++, another side is some compiler or window to make it a bit easier. I'm not sure if it's possible.
Yeah, I'm trying to see if I can do it. Entire screen. Okay. How about that?
Yeah.
Can you see it?
Yeah,
Okay.
it's nice. And let's start this Ruby about assert RB file.
Oh, okay. So I changed it to true. So we should try to run it again.
Yep. And it should, not this file, but about assert RB. Actually,
Yeah, it
oh,
moved to line.
by the way, actually, you see, we can change each file line by line, and we see that everything's fine. Test assert with message. This should be true. Please fix
With
this.
message.
Okay. Theoretically, yes. Let's try.
I don't understand the message. So let's see.
Nice. It is done.
So then 25 test.
Expected value equal to 2. We just to be the same. Actually, okay. I thought it will be even harder. Okay. Let's go further.
Whether assert equal to expected value. Assert equal expected value.
It's the same test as previous one. Nice.
Okay, 38. Test fill in value assert equal to.
Is that also 2? Yeah. 2, 1 plus 1. Okay. Let's go to the next file. I think
about nil.
Yeah.
Should we commit that?
No, let's do it everything because it's so easy.
Okay.
Just a lot of commits will be nonsense. Okay, theoretical need is an object.
5. Assert equal. Nil is an object unlike null in other languages. Are we supposed to fill this underscore? Okay, this is a method.
Actually, I think assert equal to true because it will like nil is an object and it will be true or false, and then we need to something like this. I think.
But wasn't earlier like assert equal 2 then 1 plus 1? All right, nil is an object. It is true. Okay, I understand.
Okay. Is a actually what this does is just return a type, and when you do is a object, you checking if nil is an object, and because in Ruby everything is object, that it will be true. Just logical operation. Okay, what we have?
16 and 12. Why is it showing 16 first? Rescue and test, you don't get null pointer errors on them. 12 and 16.
16. I think it should be nil will be equal to x class. Something like this.
What exception has been caught? Happens no method. Let's try. What message was attached to the exception? Replace with a part of the error message. Assert nil again. Does it have a message?
Replace part of the error message. Let's try to check it. Actually let's do before assert match. Before even assert equal puts ex, and we actually will know what ex is.
Before the assert?
Yeah, I think it should work. Yeah, ex. Yep. Let's try this one.
Expected nil to equal no method error.
Okay.
Oh, wait, was that the first one? No.
Okay.
17. Yeah, that's it.
No method error. Okay, we can just delete puts because it doesn't make any sense, unfortunately. And put no method error equal to X class.
Sorry, what did you just say?
You see this expected nil to equal to no method error. Nil is the thing that we actually put there, and EX class is no method error. Then instead of the nil, we need to change it to no method error. And to assert equal, no, not here, but instead of nil, we need to use no method error should be equal to a EX class.
Okay.
Did you get it? Yeah. Yeah, okay. I think it should.
So I remove the puts X.
Yeah. Let's use the thing.
So let's run that first.
Yeah, let's run it, see if it actually works or not.
Line 20, I guess so, because it's not complaining anymore.
Yeah, actually, you just need what the task is. You have test, you run it, you see what is EX message, what is EX class, and just copy paste it to the editor. And now I think you need to put at the editor new and new class between slashes. You shouldn't remove slashes at all. I know, don't remove it. You need to remove underscores between slashes, yeah, and put new new class. Let's try. Awesome. Let's go further.
Okay. Assert equal nil dot nil.
I think it should be true because nil is really new. Okay, nil to s. I think it will be just string new. And about
what did you say? Sorry, I'm not familiar with the methods yet.
I think it should be like just string new.
3?
Just like string.
Oh, string?
No. New that's surrounded by quotes.
Oh, okay. Single or double?
It doesn't matter, I think. In Ruby, it doesn't matter really. Yeah, and let's try.
That's interpolation, right? I think that's what I remember from earlier.
Because we don't do something like interpolation, it doesn't matter here.
Yeah. Okay. Wait, 26.
Actually, it just should be. Yeah, empty.
Okay. 27. Nil dot inspect.
You see, actually, this like the thing that was before in the previous line should be in the last line. It should be like quotes and new inside.
Like that?
Yeah, I think it should work.
Okay.
Nice.
Okay, about objects. There. Line number 5. So test everything is an object. Everything is an object, right? So
yes.
It should be true.
Yes. Actually, I think everywhere there should be true.
Yeah, but everything is an object.
Yeah. Because 1, it will be fixed num, 1.5 will be fixed num, string will be string, new will be just an object. An object is an object itself. Yeah, we pass it.
Objects can be converted to strings.
Okay, I think you can do the first one easily. Yep.
And then, was it this one?
Yes, it was this one, exactly. Okay.
18 objects can be inspected.
I think
that was this one?
Yes.
That's for single quotes.
And let be in single, and the same actually is here because like inspect should be the same into 1, 2, 3. I think should be like this.
Okay.
Yeah, you're done.
Every object has an ID. Object new. Assert equal object with object ID. The class.
Actually, we need to fix num. Basically, first of all, you should look to the command line because you see expected fill me to equal to fix num in the first thing. Because every object has object ID. Object ID is integer.
Oh,
Then
what kind of object it is? Okay.
yeah, I need to fix now. Yep, should works perfectly well.
Okay. Expected fill me in to equal 930. True. It says true. Object new object ID is not equal to another object ID.
Okay.
Okay, 34. Small integers have fixed ID. Expected fill me in to equal 1.
I think that's like objects, like fixed numbers have object IDs the same as they are. I think 0, 1, 2,
So 0
100.
is still 0? Or wait, or integer?
Oh, actually, it is 1. First is 1, then maybe it should be 1, 2, 3, 4.
But why is that?
Actually, you see the command like expected fill me to equal to 1.
Yeah, but why is it equal to 1?
Actually, let's try to Google it.
Yeah, I'm using my let's do that.
Object ID. Will be documentation.
Okay.
Objects. Okay, like so. Okay. Actually, it's okay. I need to check it in the Google because this Bing is some bullshit. Okay. Object ID for fixed objects in the.
Are you? I'm reading the O'Reilly post. So.
And what?
They're talking about pointers. Yeah, so if the lowest 2 bits will always be 0, so it will use 1 and then use the rest of the space to store a fixed num. I'm not sure if this is what I'm looking for.
Does it mean that we have 1, 2, 3, 4? One of 1 is okay. Object of ID 0 is 1. Object of 1 is 3. Object of 2 is 5.
Yeah. So they're all 1.
Is it there? Meeting space that is there and even unique in time. Okay, basically, what it does, I think, it just somehow.
Ruby uses integers as IDs for each thing. Is that it?
Yeah, it definitely suits object ID as ID for each object, but it's like randomly use it. It's kind of cannot guarantee, but you see, it's like will be 1, 3, 5, and well, by this logic, I assume that 100 will be 7. I don't know, but something like this.
0 and 1. How are they counting? Like, what is the computation?
I have no ideas because I need to go to depths. All I found is just it will be solved.
I'll read about it later.
For different times, may be reused by different objects of 4%.
201. Let's see. So if 1 is 0, 0 is 1, 1 is 3, 2 is 5.
Okay, I think the logic is the next. It should be multiply the number by 2 and plus 1.
By 2 plus 1. Okay.
Basically, that's it, right? So it's a good question, actually.
Yeah, let's take note of that.
Yeah, just let's solve it.
Okay.
But according to the Stack Overflow post, actually, it's not guaranteed that it will be in each one of the Ruby. For a while, it's like doubtful. Maybe it was how.
Yeah, okay. Let's just move on.
Yeah, just let's continue.
Next is 47. Does clone creates a different object? Object, new object, clone. Assert equal true.
Okay. Well, actually, I think false. Okay, no, it's true. Object not equal to copy. I think object not equal to copy, but
they have the same object ID.
No,
they're
they
different
don't.
because they have different here. It's still true.
Okay.
Okay. Next is about arrays. RB6. Thus creating arrays. Empty array equals array new.
Just array.
Equal assert equal empty array dot class.
It's a big array.
Big array?
I mean A and A is capital.
Oh.
Because it is first of all in the console, and the second time you create array new, and array is already typed, and of course 0 because there is shouldn't be anything. Okay, nice.
Number 18. Okay. Assert equal the new array, and then array 0 is 1. Assert equal 1 array. Assert 2. Array 1 is 2, so put 2 here.
Yes, exactly.
And array. What does left shift mean?
It means that it's like append to the end to the arrays. It's 3, 3, 3.
Oh, okay. So 1, 1, 2, 3, 3, 3.
Yes, I think it should work.
Okay. So as accessing array elements, I remember this.
Okay, array 0 is peanut.
Is this a string?
No, it's a symbol. It's a bit different thing. It's like yeah.
Array dot first is still peanut.
It's the same like array 0.
Array 3 is jelly.
Yes.
And array dot last is still jelly.
Yeah.
Then array minus 1 is ant or jelly?
I think it's jelly.
Okay.
Let's see. And
minus 3 is
butter. It should be.
Oh, peanut. 38. Oh, wait.
No, actually, we've done this one. It's the next one.
38. So array 0, 1. Oh,
it's not including, I guess, the last 0, 1. It's not including 1. 0, 1, 2. Just array of peanut. It should be array.
Like what happened to? Oh, okay. Okay, 39. 0 to, so it should be like both peanut and butter.
Yes.
Okay. 2 2 is
It's empty array.
nothing.
Yes.
220. So 0 1 2 is
Mm-hmm.
that and jelly? Oh, oh,
Mm-hmm. Actually,
or is it not? I'm
poop,
confused. Let's
poop,
just
poop. Let's just like try it in the console because
yes,
yeah,
and
it's
jelly.
Agile, yeah.
And 4 0.
I think it's all except peanut. No.
And it's still and jelly.
Why?
Oh wait, did I line
Did you
number
save?
40? Oh, it's saying line 40 is incorrect.
But why it's end in jelly?
2 and 2.
Okay. It's a bit
Maybe starting from index 2, the 2 elements after that. So it would be and jelly.
Mhm. Okay, it might be true actually.
Yeah, it's true. Uh, I mean, like it's correct. Oh, but I followed it. So let's see if it's so. If it's 0, do you think it's like oh, it's empty?
Yes,
So for 100. So wait, there
it
are only
will be
3,
empty,
so it should also be empty.
and it's also
Then also.
maybe it will be something array of something, but let's see.
So 44. Well,
44. Okay.
why is it accepting for 4 but not 5? 48.
Okay.
Assert equal 1 dot 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 class.
It's a range.
Is this a range? Is it capital R? Okay.
Yes.
So assert not equal. Oh, we're not supposed to fill anything there. Assert equal to array. So this is false because it's a range.
No, to array, just transform something to array.
Oh, okay.
It's not asking, but transforming, actually.
Okay.
Um,
So 1, 2, 5. I replace that?
yep.
Wait.
But
They're
there
both
is
doing the same thing.
okay, but no, actually not. I'm not sure. In one case, 5 wouldn't be included. In other, it will be. Yeah, in the second one, it will be without 5, because 3 dots means just without 5, including 5.
3 dots means that 1 until
And
before
until
5.
5, before 5, yes.
Okay.
Um, yes.
Okay, number 57. Slicing with ranges. Peanut butter and jelly. Assert equal array. Is it the same?
No. You shouldn't actually place peanut butter and
Okay.
you just copy paste it. You cannot actually make array equal to array. It doesn't make a lot of sense.
Okay.
Here, in after that, without end, because it's
So
like
with
3
just
dots.
peanut and butter.
Yes, because before second. Um, yep, and here
2 to minus 1 and
uh,
and jelly.
Okay.
66. Pushing and popping arrays. 1, 2, push, last. Does that even do? One, okay, include last into the array. So assert equal, like that, 1, 2, last.
Yes. And okay.
9. Pop that value is array dot pop. So it pops the from the end, right?
Yeah, and it's do you know the stack thing?
Yeah.
Basically, the end of the array is the top of the stack.
70.
Array.
Assert that equals to the original one because it's popped already.
Yep.
Shifting arrays, unshift.
Actually, it will, as far as I remember, it's just add first element in the beginning of the array.
So it's okay. So it's like becomes a queue, sort of.
Yeah. It's like style, Ruby style to write stacks and queues.
Okay. Oh, well, not really a queue because a queue adds to the end. Anyway, it adds to the beginning.
Yeah,
So,
actually to the beginning.
now it's first 1, 2. Then shifted value equals array dot shift.
That's the first value.
Array dot shift just gets the first one.
Yes.
Okay.
So.
And then assert equal
Original array.
the original array.
Nice.
Okay, about array assignment. Are these all 80? Or are there more?
It's like if you look into the console, each task that we have done, it's like 23 out of 282.
Okay.
Let's do as much as we can in an hour and a half, let's say, like this.
Okay.
Just basically copy paste the original names and put.
Let's see. Non-parallel assignment, John Smith. Assert equal. Are you just supposed to?
Yeah, copy paste original array.
Okay. Just parallel assignments. First name, last name, John Smith.
Let's execute it to be sure that everything is fine. Yeah, let's go.
11.
Yep. And second.
$17. First name, last name, John Smith the third. What happened? Did it become like a John and then Smith the third?
If I'm not mistaken, it just should be a head and tail, and last name will be first name will be John, but I think it will be.
The third one doesn't get like an assignment. Yeah.
Yep. Okay.
First name with splat operator.
Oh, splat operator should be like array Smith and like this 3. It should be like array, I think. And its first name will be the same as previous one.
Does it become like a pointer instead of like the value?
Yes.
And
if I'm not mistaken, yeah, it's like array. No, actually, last name is like a whole array, a whole tail of the array till the Smith, like in 3.
Like that. The Smith or like everything else?
Everything else except John. Yeah, it should be like this. Yes.
Okay.
Share first name.
Test parallel assignments with too few variables. First name, last name is share. Is this
I think the last name should be Neil.
Neil?
Most probably.
35. Okay.
Yes, nice.
Subarrays. So the first name is like this subarray.
Yes. And
And
last
then
name.
last name is Johnson.
Yeah. First name. Yeah, just simply John. This comma means that you need to
41.
first element of the array and you don't care about anything else. Basically.
What's the difference? Oh, okay. "48. Swapping with parallel assignment. First name Roy, last name Rob. First name, last name, last name, first name. So the last name becomes the first name?
Yes, it should be like Roy. Okay, Rob should be the first name, and Roy should be the last name. Just Roy. Yeah, should work. Nice.
Dot hashes.
Okay, it's awesome. Okay, hash new. Actually,
Yes.
I do remember the thing with arrays. Array, when we did array new, and it's like, and try to get class.
Capital array?
No, it was when it was array new, but now we have hash new.
Yes, it's hash now.
Yes, basically.
So assert equal
curly braces.
right.
Yep.
0.
Yeah.
13. Hash literals 1,
No hash size.
2, those. Assert equal to.
Yep.
So it's just a hash. Accessing hashes 1, 1, 2, plus. Assert equal hash 1. Is it uno?
Mm-hmm.
And then dos.
And the last
Hash
doesn't exist.
Is
I
it
think it's nil. Nil, yeah.
Okay, 25.
Mm-hmm.
Hash with fetch uno assert equal hash dot fetch 1. Is that uno?
Yes. Fetch is the same, like you ask hash to get this.
It's like dot get. Wait, what is the equivalent in Java? I forgot. Anyway, yeah.
Yeah, but I think fetch is more safer manner to ask about this key.
As long as you know the yeah. As long as you know the key.
Doesn't exist.
Assert raise. What does assert raise do? Let me Google that.
I think it's argument error actually. But let's do argument error. Yeah, like this. I wrote you.
Yes.
Okay.
Fill me in error.
Fill me. No. Actually.
Doesn't exist.
A key error. Key error. Raise key error.
Okay. Do you have? Does it have like the hashtag also? That?
No. Just simply copy paste key error. I think it's just it. Key not found is just a message.
40.
Yeah.
Okay.
Fine. Wow. Nice.
Why is it safer? Is it possible like you'll get the wrong thing if you use if you get it like an array?
You mean why fetch is safer?
Yeah.
Just a sec. I will double check myself. Fetch Ruby.
I can always Google it also. Why?
Yeah, just for double check myself. There is some trick actually regarding this thing. Config key default. Actually, yeah. It's useful because when you try fetch, it's actually throw an error when key does not exist. But if you just go to the hash and directly ask it to return nil, that it might cause unpredictable behavior in the future. It's just the main point.
Okay. So the next one is 40. 1, 2, hash 1, and so we're changing the contents of we're replacing uno with eins.
Yes, and we need to put eins here. And expected equal to hash.
We're supposed to copy
no, actually in this particular case expected equal to hash. You just underscores change to expected. I mean, you can copy paste.
Isn't it supposed to copy it?
You don't need
the word expected?
Yeah, just expected word, because exactly it's expected exactly created to not like put all hash there. Yeah, exactly. Nice. Is unordered.
Bonus question: why was expected broken out into a variable? Because
actually,
if it's a very big hash, then it's very long. What do you know the answer?
Actually, the answer is just it's a clear style. You just don't need to mess up with this assertion and other stuff. You have expected, actual, and assertion. You just don't need to do anything inside the assertion. Just cleaner code.
Okay.
Okay, that is
ordered 1, 2, 1, 1.
Actually, it is true. I think, yeah, because
are they comparing like the contents or like the object? Because I thought like things had different.
I think it's compared by the content, and the hashes will store the same of this data, no matter how it actually will be passed.
Okay. Yeah, the answer did say to put in true. So hash keys 1, 2, hash key size is 2. So include 1.
True.
True. Are we supposed to put true? True. Okay.
That's true, I guess.
Also includes.
Yeah.
Stock class. Is there a key class?
Hash.
Is a hash like an array or something? Because if you get the keys, isn't it like an array? But I'm thinking about Java, so I don't know about Ruby.
Okay, let's try array. Actually, it can be array as well.
Because I think in Java it's like an array if you get the keys.
I'm not sure about this one. Okay, yeah, it was array.
Hash 1, 2, hash dot values dot size.
It's just two.
It's 2. Then uno true. Oh, I think it's the same answers.
Yep. It might be a trick with array, but otherwise it's the same. Yeah, there's no trick at all.
73. James 53, Amy is 20, Dan is 23. New hash dot merge. James 54. Jenny is 26. It just replaces
Jim.
Assert equal hash equals new hash. True?
And
Yeah.
Yeah, because actually we okay.
Jim is no longer 53. The value is different. So
Okay,
expected Jim is
54.
4. Jenny is 26.
Yes.
Assert equal true.
Yep.
Okay. 83.
Mm-hmm.
Hash 1. Assert equal
1.
1. Then nil.
Yes. Okay.
89. Assert hash 2 is does. 1.
It's
Hash 2 is
1.
1. Still nil.
Yep.
Wait. What does this do? Hash new. It's sort of like instantiated does. What does that? What does it do with does?
You can, what you can do? We just accept instead of new.
Yeah, it should be does. How did it know that?
Okay. Put hash2 just instead of new hash2. And we will be able to actually look how hash2 looks like. Just hash2 equal to hash2, I mean, instead of nil, just put hash2 to a Alex number.
Like that?
In the last assertion, assert equal, instead of nil, put hash2, which is, hash2.
Oh. And write hash too?
Yes. Yeah, and then we will able to look how hash2 actually looks like.
Okay.
You see, actually, hash new DOS, I think it's some like variable without any key, and because it's without any key, the key we're trying to find goes there. Something like this.
So we're
I mean, you see, for example, the answer you seek expected, there is a hash 1 and 1 to equal DOS. But the thing is, when we do hash to DOS, hash to 2, we get DOS. It means that somehow in the hash, 2 values and only 1 key.
Oh, we've added a key without we've just added a key without a value.
And we just like implicitly add the key inside the hash.
Okay.
By this check, I think. Okay. Yeah.
1. Shift is sort of a sign also, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So hash 1 is
array of uno.
And DOS? Hash 1.
Yeah, it's a bit not obvious actually. Okay, and DOS.
Same.
I think this 3 should be the same as well then. Yeah, 3 is the same. Okay. Hash 1 object ID, hash 2 object ID. And I think should be true between these object IDs.
like the same hash and we're just assigning it to different variables.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
Hash new hash key is empty. I think it's the same. Oh no,
I
it's just
think actually no. Actually it is.
I've signed it.
Actually, in this time, hash 1 will be equal to uno, hash 2 will be equal to dos, in like array from element dos, and hash 3 will be equal to nil, or to empty array actually, because of the constructor. Let's say it's this hash new, and inside thing is a constructor. Yeah, should work. Yeah, it works. Cool.
Here you were like halfway the original. Dot strings. Okay. Before we start, can I get some water first?
Yeah, no problem.
Hello, I'm back.
Okay. Do you see my screen? Actually, maybe you can commit your changes, and now I will type as well a bit.
Path progress. Okay, so we should add that also.
Path progress. Actually, let it be there. It doesn't really matter.
Sorry?
I mean, path progress something like unimportant, but let it be there.
Yeah. Maybe we can yeah, I think that's important. Or else maybe we'd have to start all over again.
I mean, what do you mean? Past progress. What is important?
Path progress. I don't know what's in there.
Do they actually don't care actually if we have one like trash file there? It actually creates when it actually creates. You see, you pass 43 tests, and it's like showing that you passed 43 tests. Basically, that's it.
Okay.
Just.
So should I still add it?
Yeah, let it be there. We shouldn't care about this one a lot.
Should be the commit message.
Okay, okay. No, actually, commits are usually in present simple. Therefore, let's just add modified. Even better not to use modify. Add solutions for first 33 tests, for example. For 43 tests.
Retests?
Let's say tasks. It doesn't really matter. Hello.
Yeah, so you can do those if you want. So let's continue.
Well, just a second. Maybe I can type as well.
Okay.
I just pull your branch. You see my screen or not?
Yeah, I can see. You haven't changed your screen yet. Okay, I see it now.
Okay, good. Should I do it bigger?
Yeah, if you can.
I will try just right now. Mm, edit. Um, just a sec. This font layout.
What is that PowerShell?
Yeah. Okay. Um, let's see what we have in branch. I can check out this picture, and you don't can really see it, right?
Yeah.
Is it like a bit better like this?
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay, good. So as
Are you branching from master?
yes.
So it's like you're starting from the beginning again.
Actually no.
Oh, you're going to use, okay, self-path to enlightenment. I thought you were making a new.
Not really enlightenment. Switch to the branch, and if it's not updated, make a pull. Well, and what we have, and you did Ruby path to and okay. What we have now is about string. Okay, not so fast.
So are you going to share the
Can you see the
I can
screen?
only see the PowerShell.
Right, so, um,
Well, I can look at the code on my side if you can't share it.
basically, how you did
Okay,
actually?
I can see it now.
I think you can see a code, but you cannot see in the same time.
What I did earlier was share entire screen. So that's why I was able to share two windows at the same time.
Mhm. But how I can share entire screen?
You click the share your screen, and then the first option is entire screen.
It's like a full screen. I think it's the same.
Yeah, it's like full screen. Okay.
Oh,
Um,
okay. I think I stopped sharing.
yes, it's you again.
Okay, nice. It doesn't work. Well, let's just. You can see the code, right?
Yeah.
And you cannot see PowerShell.
No.
Okay, let's. We wouldn't look into the PowerShell. We did differently, and let's say try to guess what we actually need to do.
Okay. If
Okay.
double quoted strings are strings, string is a. I guess it's true.
It is.
Yeah. Then that's also true. We covered that earlier. The next one.
Just a second. Okay. It was just a second. It was 43. String is true as well.
Yes. Then use single quotes to create. What's the whole thing? Can you maximize that, or is it
Um,
not possible?
just a second. I will reopen because I think I opened the wrong file.
Okay.
Just a sec. Mhm. GitHub, Agile development. It was about strings, right? Do you feel like this? No, you can see my screen. Yep.
Okay.
Is it fine or you need to get bigger?
Perfect.
Okay, we just decided the first one and the second that is true.
Yeah.
I will double check it because it didn't open right now. Okay, both are okay. Okay, now what we need to do is see this string.
Yeah, what happens to that? Is it still one string or this?
Yeah, it's the same. I mean,
Okay.
you see this like double quotes and one quote.
So the double quote becomes part of the string.
Yeah, if you like single quotes inside single quotes, double
So
quotes.
everything is like considered like the literal, like its literal value.
Yeah, only the problem maybe if like in the letter when the single quotes you try to put single quotes and like string with double quotes you try to put double quotes.
Okay.
Let's test. It is done. Nice.
Okay.
You see the same as I told you. It will work perfectly well because it's like double quotes
Opposite.
and it's like one quote, no problems.
Yeah. Okay.
At least shouldn't be. Okay, it is
So
passed.
backslash for escape characters.
Yes, exactly as I think in Java and C++ and in many languages.
Yes.
Okay, you see, we just basically, I think that is it true or false? Yep, I think the same. Yes, it is done. Just a second. Yes, let's go further.
Okay. Next is use flexible coding to handle really hard cases.
I think it is just true.
It seems like one of those questions that should.
You see this like the same thing here and like here and here, but beside this one, everything is the same.
Yeah.
Then theoretically it should be fine. Let's check. Yeah, it is fine. It is correct. Okay, let's move further. Long string lengths. Are you kidding me?
Long string. That's the worst of times.
Well, I just looked at the answer. It's 54. I mean,
Okay.
it's exactly what it should be, but I don't think that we need to count. Number of lines should be
3.
3. I think
Is
like
the
this.
42 counted? Okay. I thought
Let's see.
okay.
Well, that's basically I will just start and into it if it's 3. No, it is 3 because it's this thing doesn't matter. And actually, I think this line doesn't matter as well, but there is, you see, a space.
Oh, there's a space. Okay.
Yeah, and therefore we count this line. Long string,
It's
then
an
I
array
think.
of strings. So 0, 1, I think that's a space.
Yeah, I think it will be something like this. Space.
I think it'll just be the space. But you should check.
Okay, actually, yeah, I forgot this. Like 0 and 1 element, then it should be on the space. Check. Yes. Actually, no. You know this? It was only like this.
Okay.
It's
There's
a bit
no
tricky.
space?
There is no space. Maybe it's a bit confusing, but I double check it just a sec.
Maybe it's space and carriage return. It's weird.
Okay. Oh, it is.
Okay, where are we now?
Okay, no, actually, yeah. At least tests are telling me that it's first of all it shouldn't be array. Second, that it should be like new line.
So only new line.
Only new line. That is a bit tricky, but I think maybe Sublime interpret the space like as the new line as a space. It is the
Okay.
problem.
Is there space after the period and it was the worst of times? No. Okay.
I think, yeah, you see it's just a space after the times.
But after the period, there's nothing.
Yeah, but maybe it is, there is why we don't have like 3 lines, we have 3 lines, but not 4.
Okay.
Okay, there is a task here, document can also handle multiple lines. I think it's like the same as a percent and curly brace, this yeos. Basically, I think it's just notation, and we can do everything that it was the same. I think 54 is number of lengths, 3 lines, and well, just new thing. Let's check like this. Are you agree or? Actually, it's 53. For some reason, it's 53. Oh, okay. The trick is after the comma, there is no new symbols. Okay, and it's like 2. Why it's actually
Okay.
I'm a bit confused.
2 because
You see, it's exactly about the notation. Like this percent curly brace work differently compared to the EOS thing. I think it should be not exactly EOS. It can be like oh, and here oh, it will be the same. Just a random word.
I thought it meant something like end of string. So why is it I?
Because
it actually gets like the first. It's because it's only 2. It doesn't consider the first line a separate string. Okay.
Therefore, so okay, we pass this test.
Equal. We just put them together.
Yes. And just remove this.
Okay.
Fine. Yes, it is fine. Okay. Hi.
Hi there. It's still
Well,
hello and world.
I just basically just hi, and
There.
there is just there.
I think it's the same in most language. I think it's the same in all languages, that part.
I actually don't. I have understand why we actually need string, but okay.
Yeah, because strings are, what do you call that? Immutable? Something like that. Anyway. Next.
Mm-hmm.
That's plus equals will concatenate to the
Well,
end.
basically, hi it's equal to hi plus there.
It's hello world.
Basically, nothing special. Yes, it is done. Okay, the next one is test plus equals also will leave the original string unmodified. Okay. Basically, we just
Oh,
put the
I was looking
here
at the.
original string. Do you agree or not?
Oh, sorry, I was looking at the next one. I'm reading the first. Hello, and then world. So hi plus their original. Yes, hello. Original string is still the same.
Mm-hmm. Okay. The next one, let's like in the top.
Hi becomes hello world, but there is just world.
Mm-hmm. Yes. Yeah. Moving forward.
Thus, the shovel operator modifies the original string. Original string equals hello, hi is hello, there is world, hi there. Assert equal hello.
Actually, as shovel operator modifies the original string, it means that this operator, as far as I understand the test, according to the name, it should do something like this: hi equal to original string, then this there, and then
Okay.
equal to hi, something like this. And it's exactly original string will be modified,
Oh,
and then
it's not
equal
like
to
it's the
hi.
assignment. It
Um,
it. Okay, that's.
do you remember about this arrays when array was array and then 333?
Mm-hmm.
We don't have an assignment, but we actually modify an array and then like push back the element.
Yeah, they're okay.
Do you want to say something or?
No, it's okay. I'm reading
Okay.
the thing about it. Tend to favor the shovel operator over the plus equals operator when building up strings.
I think it's kind of like okay. No, I don't know. It's one character. Um,
Is there a question with that?
about
Oh, did
think
you
about
change the
it.
answer already?
Yeah, actually, I changed.
Okay, I was
To,
thinking.
okay, just okay. I will be a bit slower to make you time to read because it's inconvenient.
First thing that was a string, do not interpret escape characters.
I, actually, this like a slash n doesn't change anything. It's like still one symbol should be.
It still should be like one string dot size is the size is like number of characters. So does it become two?
Why two?
Oh no, the I thought you already solved. I moved into the second question.
Okay, but just a second. I will check this one. Okay, this one basically I think it's the same. Do not interpret escape character. Okay, yeah,
it becomes 2.
it should be 2. It's a bit tricky.
Sometimes interpret escape characters.
Okay, basically what it does, I think it should be like 1 slash, and after this one like quote. What do you think?
1 slash, so it's like a slash quote.
Yeah.
So it's like 2.
Yes. And it's like slash quote. Okay, basically. Just the same. We can write it, just like this.
Just 2 slashes because we're not escaping the quote anymore.
Yeah. Well, let's try if it works or not. Yeah, it works perfectly well.
Okay, so next one. Interpolate variables. Okay, so we're in string interpolation now.
Interpolation just instead this put real like what value is.
Let's change it with 1, 2, 3.
It's like this.
Okay. The value is 1, 2. Do not interpolate. It's hashtag curly brace value.
Yeah, it will be the same because interpolation works only with double quotes.
Any Ruby expression may be interpolated. Math square root of 5. Okay.
Square root of 5 is...
Are we supposed to compute that?
Actually,
that's right. Okay.
Just copy paste this one and it should be the same. Yeah, it passed. But actually, if I look into the console, it like at least 10 to 12 digits.
Yeah, it's like, is it going to count the number of digits? Okay. Bacon, lettuce, and tomato. String 7, 3. Is it the same as array? Like you count 7 and then the next three letters?
I think yes, exactly.
So LET?
Let's try. What about the second one?
The second one is 7 to 9. So LET still, I think.
It should be like this. Yeah.
So if it was 7 3 dots then 9, so it's just LE.
Yeah, basically I think that is a trick here, but they decided not to trick us.
You can get a single character from a string. Is that A?
I think we should be surprised, right? Let's see if we're surprised or not. Actually, we are not. Oh, just a second. Just a second. Like, actually, it is A. Just a second. About strings, line 164.
Oh, A was correct. Okay.
Yeah, it was correct.
164. 154. Test in older Ruby, single characters are represented by integers.
I have never worked with older Ruby. Well,
I guess what's 97?
Okay. Yeah, but I assume that actually what A, check if it's a letter A, it is A. Okay. 97, it should be ASCII code actually. And then it should be true. If I'm correct, and 97 is ASCII code for A. And here B and A plus 1. What it's supposed to do, it's supposed this like question B should convert to the ASCII code And then question B will be 98, question 8 will be 97 plus 1, and it's supposed to be true. And let's check if I am right or wrong.
That sounds right. I only remember the ASCII characters of the numbers, I think.
Oh.
It's not correct? Is it correct?
Did we miss something? Just a second, I will double check about this one because I think that something doesn't work out. No, actually it was right, it was A. I'm not sure why we're actually supposed to be surprised. Okay, in 95 completed to equal to A. Let's better I show you my shell because I'm a bit confused. You see this text was 65 completed, and then it's telling me the problem in the strings. Tests in modern Ruby single character are represented by strings.
164.
Oh, actually, I think
should be double quote A.
Yeah, I think it is a main problem was here. String one. Fill me in equal. Okay.
Maybe because the original string was using double quotes, you have to use double quotes also. Oh wait, the let was allowed. I don't know.
Just a second. Single by string. Oh, actually, I think everything's fine. It is like only my confusion because it like pointed me out to the like. Do you see my screen, right?
Yeah.
Actually, I think it's pointed to this test in modern Ruby single character represented by strings. It exactly
it was 164. Yeah.
Yeah,
that's why I was confused about the bacon, lettuce, tomato. I thought it was correct already.
Actually, for some reason, it is pointed to the incorrect thing. I think that actually 1.9 is also old version of Ruby, and it should work the same as in 1.8. Okay, my assumption is wrong. And because for some reason it is not converted to the ASCII character, it's just converted to the character A. And character 8 not equal to the integer.
Okay.
Yeah, it is right. It is right. It was exactly the difference between old Ruby style and modern Ruby style.
So strings can be split.
Yes.
Words equal string dot split. Assert equal sausage, egg, and cheese.
Yes.
So the default pattern is space.
Yes. It is default, I think, for like many languages. You have classes in F#, I think. The default usually is space.
Yeah, I think F# and Ruby look the same. I haven't started yet.
Not really, but like kind of the same. Okay, here you see split, and this like slash and two dots, and just I think
specify the specific pattern.
Yeah, we just decided how to separate not by space but by other pattern. Mhm. Basically, okay. Let's do it.
Oh,
68 tests are passed. If it's a flag of special library, it will become an legend. Okay, everything is fine now. Let's continue with it. Can you predict what will be with join or join?
the time. It's the same as it's the opposite of split, so it'll become like now is the time.
Yeah, it will be the same, but like with spaces between these words. Yes, fast. Okay, words. Okay, we're done. The last test in this block are unique objects.
I think the first would be true and the second would be false.
Let's check.
Yeah, because we've compared strings before.
Yeah, it is correct. Okay, what is the next file? The symbols are symbols. What? The next file test symbols are symbols. Okay, no, about symbols. Okay, you can see my screen, right?
Yes.
I think like symbol is the same as previously. Okay, 71 test plus 1. Symbol 1 equal to symbol. I think it is true. That's false, right?
I wonder why they did that.
Okay, it is correct because it's like as a symbols are basically the same as strings. I don't know actually. Since I work like for a few months with Ruby, I still can understand what the difference is.
How long have you been working with Ruby?
Approximately 3 months, like steadily, but I still don't understand like what difference. I read that it's kind of symbols is more optimized, but I don't know. It is the same, I think, as the previous one, symbol 1, symbol 2. Okay, but they have
different object ID. But if they're a single internal object, maybe that's still true.
yes. You see, it's like, okay, it is a difference that we create a symbol, it stores in the memory, and there is some pointers to this a symbol. But for strings, we had the same strings,
but
and they like
have
different objects.
Memory. Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
Symbol as string, symbol that, wow. That's method.
Symbol of symbols, but I think it's false because it's asking if it's like all symbols as strings include all these things. Sure. Okay, it should be false, I assume. It is true. Why? Okay, it is true. You see that symbols as strings include test method name become symbols.
So it was able to get the method name?
Yes, I think so. Double check. What actually is... Okay. I think there is names for all functions at all possible. Therefore, that method name becomes symbol. It's also one of the functions. There is like not just like a whole list like put into the buffer of my console. Okay, let's go further. In Ruby version.
What is the sound of one hand clapping?
I think we should check if it's Ruby constant, and now it should be false. Yeah, it is false.
So symbols can be made from strings, so we should just convert it to colon cats and dogs in the next one.
Yes. This, yeah, it works. To symbol. Okay, we just put the string and convert it to the symbol. Yeah, it works. Value cats.
There's are we supposed to keep the double quotes or remove them? Oh, okay. Because if there's spaces, then it. Never mind. With spaces.
Okay. I think the difference only you see because we need this value. We don't actually do interpolation.
With symbols?
Yeah, we need like single quotes and still will be string, and it's like single quotes will convert to the double quotes. You see, because value is obviously not interpolated here because it's already not string. There is like it's symbol.
Okay.
Or just a second, it actually doesn't work.
So right. It should be like that exact string.
Yeah, it should be like exactly like this. Okay, a bit confused, but okay. Cat string. Okay, it is an interpolation. And basically what we do, just copy paste, and instead of the set of the symbol, put cats like this.
Okay.
Without like symbols convert to the string. You see this like we have symbol cats. But after interpolation, it will be just cats without semicolons.
Okay.
It's not semicolons, but 2 dots. Okay, let it be 2 dots. Okay, let's go further. Symbol is a string.
False, I guess, because symbols are not string.
False, yeah, but I think
that one
symbol equal to the Ruby.
True?
Maybe true, yeah, because it's converted. Actually false as well.
Okay.
Okay.
Do not have symbols. Do not have string methods. Not a string. Assert equal. I don't know what respond to does.
I think that it actually happens when a symbol has such methods, and I think symbol has a method eachar. It actually, what does it mean? This like symbol respond to eachar is just symbol dot each char something, do
Okay.
something. It's exactly what it means, but each char just to check
String method.
like symbol. I think both should be true. Be wrong, but yeah, actually there is no each char.
So it's
I was
false.
both actually are false. There is actually maybe I can.
Maybe this means that it doesn't have those. Those are string methods, and so symbol doesn't have them.
Yeah, most probably. Let's do a check. Let's say sanity check. Do the same thing, but not with symbol, but with a string. And for both of them will be like here true and true. Here's S and S.
Okay.
Um, yes, exactly. For string, there is a reverse, and each character method are exist. But for symbol, there is not just such methods.
Okay.
Symbols are not immutable strings, so they are immutable. No integers. Okay, it's cool.
Symbols cannot be concatenated.
Okay, then it should be no the method error. To be honest, I just looked into the console and that's it. Did you get it?
Assert is no method error because it doesn't have the concat. Okay.
Yes.
The symbols can be dynamically created. So it's cats, dogs.
Should be like this. Yes, exactly. Good idea to now create a lot of symbols. Interesting.
I don't know, they take up a lot of space.
I think, yeah, it'll take a lot of place. It's just time consuming in sense of execution power. Okay, now we have block about regular expressions. Okay. Pattern and class. I think it should be something like regexp. What do you think? Actually, it's like this regex.
Okay.
It's. I think if you're from Java, and from other a lot of other messages, it's like a quite popular technique. It's regex.
Some matching content match string match a string called match.
Yes. But should it be like true or should it be like match? Okay, I think like. Do you think it should be like this?
It seems so.
Let's test. Yes, it is right. But what if there is no such a string?
Either it's empty or nil, I'm not sure.
Let's try nil, for example. I have no idea actually. Yeah, it is nil. It was nil. A big question mark.
So it's like a single character wildcard.
Actually, does it mean that it's like A and if exists, then B as well?
Oh, okay. So AB.
If I'm not mistaken, it will be AB and A as well. Because it's like, as far as I understand this notation, we use always A and Z if it is exist.
Okay.
Let's test. Yes, it is right. BC plus.
True. Oh wait, no. B and everything. BC until E. Or just one. Just one.
I think all C's, because C++ doesn't it mean that should
all the C's. Okay.
on C's? I'm not sure actually. I didn't look into the console. But yeah, actually only C's, because C++ only C's. Okay. A, B.
Or more. So A, B, B. Everything else.
Yeah, it looks like a whole string will be, right?
Okay.
And here the star. Actually, console log tells me that it should be ABB only. For some reason.
So it's sort of like AB plus? One or more. So if it's 0 or more.
Maybe
is it like
maybe just A? And Z or more, I think there is no Z. It may be like nil as the previous examples.
In nil or empty string.
Yeah, just a sec. Yeah, in current situation it was empty string. Because
some difference.
Okay, but okay, I got you. Because it's like star means like 0 or more.
Yeah.
But this like missing is looked exactly for like exactly pattern, and BC plus it's look only for C's. Okay, yeah, I got you. I got this thing. I think if you just put not a star but like question mark, it will be the same. Yeah, it's exactly the same. Okay.
When would asterisk fail to match?
I think it's like exactly the same with this new stuff. When we like to new, there is, for example, we put Z star.
We should use question mark if we want an actual fail to match. Or plus something. Or we use star when we want the empty string.
Oh, by the way, actually, I think, when it would fail if there is a lot of these. And actually, what it finds only is the first occurrence of Z and star.
Okay.
I think it's exactly the question what was they asking.
Either that or it will overwrite or something. It will overwrite its answer. It finds the first Z and it finds another Z, so maybe it'll just return the second Z.
Yeah, it's also one of the variants.
Repetition operators above are greedy. Maybe they're resource greedy.
Yeah, because it's like you're looking for the Z's, get all the Z's, and don't care about anything else.
Okay.
Okay. AZ star. I think it's exactly that's the leftmost match wins. I think it's like AZ. What do you think?
Okay.
Oh, actually, yeah. Actually, because it's greedy, it will be A. Because here, because of this notation, Z can be 0 times. A is okay. then nothing, and then AZ as well good. But since AZ is already in quote, then it will be just A.
Okay.
See, it's exactly about this greedy stuff. Okay, yeah, it best. Okay.
Give options for a character. Assert equal animals select A C B R A T. So everything except that.
Looks like that. Yeah, it is correct.
/T is a shortcut for digit character class. Okay.
Correct. It will be the answer.
It gets the number. Test character classes can include ranges. The number is 42. So it will still be 42.
Yeah, actually, just like this one notation and this one, it's absolutely the same thing because like D for digits. And basically what this thing says is just find one digit and try to get after this digit as much as possible another digits.
Okay.
And because like there is the same notation, the answers would be the same as well.
I think it's the same answer for the next one.
I think yes.
Because it's range.
Yeah, nothing actually changed. I mean, this all three things, like this one, and this one, absolutely the same notations, just matter of style more. Okay, you see this like /s, it's all symbols which are slashes, tabs, and all such kind of things. Therefore, I think that it will be like without new line, everything without new line. What do you think? Something like this. It started from here because it includes spaces, it includes tabs,
Okay.
and I think theoretically new line shouldn't be in these things.
Yeah, I think that's correct.
It is not. Actually, it's not because new line also in this range for some reason.
Oh wait, which one was plus? Was it the one with the question?
It's like /s is like spaces. As far as I know now, it's
Yes,
also
like
new lines and other stuff.
the plus versus the asterisk and the question mark.
The plus when for example you have a digit and you have a plus, then you find the first digit and then go to find another digits. And if it's like another string or you can find more digits or like it's like because it's a symbol or space, you just stop here.
Okay.
It's what plus means. Therefore, if you find one space, then you see its next tab. Okay, you get this
for all
tab.
the symbol, for like all the sort of symbols.
Actually, it's not. I think it not looks for all symbols. If it's find space, found tab, found then things, but after some time it fails and it returns what it found. It's not really go to the whole string because if after tab will be like letter, I think it shouldn't go further to look because it's already found some answer.
Okay.
It's how I understand this thing. Okay. A Z Z. Okay. It would be variable.
It's the same thing.
Yeah, it's kind of the same thing. It's like range from A to Z. Okay, variable from range to A to Z. A big Z, there is nothing, but it doesn't matter. There is also numbers and underscore.
So /W is equal to that, those values.
I assume that yes, but I'm not sure. Let's check. Yeah, it is the same. Cool. Test period is a shortcut for any non-new line character. There is anything except new line character. It means that when we find new line, we just say, okay, we don't care, we stop here, right?
Either that or it's ABC 123. So I don't know. We'll know when we run it.
And it is ABC because it stopped here,
Okay.
it's a new line decided. Okay, it should start it from 0 to 9 or hmm. Are here
So
still?
it's like, yeah. So it's like exclude. That's what we
Yeah,
look for. Yeah.
everything instead of numbers. And I think if we just put here AA, we just still stop here before 42. Yeah, we stop here before 42 without like following this
So
slash
it's like
AA.
a a stopper. Like it once it finds out, it stops.
Yeah, if you found something and it's like, I mean, if we started from the numbers, then it shouldn't actually stop. But if we started from something else and then found numbers, then we stop.
Okay.
Somehow like this.
Next
Um,
is so it's still
um,
equal. Like small d is like big D.
yeah.
Big D is like negating.
Do you think so?
And that's what the method, I think that's what the method says, but
Negated with capitals.
so if you use capitals, then it's negated.
Okay, it means that like we include everything except of digits.
So the answer will be like the number is space.
Yes.
Then in that one, so it will be space colon only.
Yes, I think it's
And then double one equals 42.
I think it will be like this.
How did they negate it?
I mean, you just not include characters, any characters or numbers or underscore. And when you started from the beginning, you just have everything you should exclude. And now you have space, equal, and space. And after that, you have numbers which you should exclude. Therefore, you just take space, assign and space, and it should be the result, I think.
Either that or I don't know, the string. Is it correct? Did you check it?
I just discussed with you, and after that, check. Yeah, it's correct.
Okay.
um, okay.
Test slash anchor start list.
Slash. I have no idea what the slash a means. Um, mhm. I go to some forum. Okay. A is start of the string and /z is end of the string.
Okay.
It means that it should be like a start. It's like start from the start. Then it's like, okay, start.
And then
And I think it should be
start end. Or just end. Everything after the anchor.
No, actually, it's like it should be like it means that end should be like a string should be started from the beginning, and I was wrong that it was not an empty string. It should be like new, because you see this like string started not from the end but from the start.
Okay.
That is forbidden. Yeah, now it's fine. Now it's fine. /z enters to the end of the string. A third equals start end and z small like /z big. It means end of the string. I think in this case it will be something like end, and it will be also new, the same as the previous one.
Okay. Yeah, it should end with end. Okay.
It is fine, yeah.
Caret anchors to the start of lines. That does not make sense anymore. That
maybe it would be just new, because if it's like started from the numbers, the slide not started from the numbers. Theoretically, if compared to the previous hour, it seems that we done it, maybe it will be just new. No, it is not new. Oh no, actually.
What's it supposed to be?
Actually, it is new. Actually, I just looked into the wrong. Okay. This like $sign means that string should end it on the
number. So that should be oh wait, it finds 2 first. So it automatically goes to nil. Or does it search 42 first? So it's true already.
No, actually, just a second. Here it is. Yeah, I was actually. Here is not new. You see this like new line should start it from the digit.
Okay.
And since we have like this, it's like new line.
So 2 lines.
It's just like answer is supposed to be 2. Yeah, exactly. You see, it's like it's a trick, really trick. Did you get it or not really?
Yeah, I think I get it.
Okay, you see also, okay, we found this trick, then we have like this line and this line. You see this line not finishes on the like digits, but this line is actually ending by 42. Then I think the answer will be like 42.
$sign anchors to the end of line.
Yeah, it's on this line. Yeah, actually it's 42. What this B means?
Anchors to a word boundary. Maybe like there should be a space between
Actually, just a second. If I'm not mistaken, B means backspace.
Backspace?
Yep. I might be wrong. Maybe, but it isn't B. It's a backspace. Let's just assume that it's new, because if it's like backspace, then it's like there is no.
I think slash B means it starts and ends with B. With vines. I don't know. What does it say?
No, it says that it should be wines. But it's like, because, okay, wine and dot is not a real dot, but it's like any character. But what slash B means?
Okay.
Okay, we pass this test.
Maybe that's it. It's like what I just read says slash B allows you to search for a whole word. So if we use like the other search terms, they'd search for a V and an I and an E and ES or something, and then B is actually like Vine. Right.
Okay, but I see. Actually, it's a trick, because you see, wine can be here, but wines. If it's like without slash B, actually it should be wine and space.
Okay.
Okay. I think I Okay, let's do this file and do it another time, okay? Continue with this.
I think this video is I think we already have enough for the video, and then the rest we don't have to record it anymore.
Yeah, I think we can do it much easier and faster.
Yes.
Okay, I then stop video. I hope everything is fine. Stop.